Hello students, in this video we will discuss about some example on area of sector and segment of the circle. In the previous video I have discussed about the formula of area of sector and segment. So in this example we will apply that formula. First example is find the area of the sector of a circle with radius 4 cm and angle 30 degree. Also find the area of corresponding major sector. If you look at the diagram, here the shaded blue portion is the minor sector and the remaining portion is major sector. So first of all I will find the area of this blue portion. The given angle theta is equal to 30 degree and you know the area of minor sector is equal to theta by 360 degree into area of the circle, right, that is theta by 360 degree into pi r square. So in place of r you will put 4 because radius is given as 4 centimeter, and in place of theta you will put 30 degree. Okay, now do the calculation. In place of pi you have to put 3.14. If you do the calculation, the area will be 4.19 centimeter square approx. Now this is the area of minor sector, the blue one. Now in the second part you have to find the area of the corresponding major sector. The area of corresponding major sector will be the area of the circle minus the area of minor sector, right. If you shade this whole area of the circle and then if you subtract this blue portion from it, you will get the area of major sector. So it will be pi r square minus area of sector OAPB, which you have evaluated in this part, that is the area of the corresponding major sector will be 46.1 centimeter square. Now question number 2, find the angle subtended at the center of circle of radius 5 centimeter by an arc of length 5 pi by 3 centimeter. Okay, so here the radius of the circle is given, that means OA is equal to OB is equal to 5 centimeter given. Also the length of the arc is given as 5 pi by 3, that means this length of APB arc is equal to 5 pi by 3. You have to find the value of this angle theta. Now you know the formula of length of arc is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Okay, length of arc is theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay, not pi r square, it will be 2 pi r because it is length of the arc. Theta by 360 degree into the circumference of the circle, theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So in place of length of arc put 5 pi by 3, in place of r put 5 because radius is 5 given. So if you solve this equation you will get theta is equal to 60. That means the value of this angle will be 60 degree. Now next example, in a circle the radius is 35 centimeters. So r equal to 35 centimeter given, and the arc subtends a angle 72 degree at the center. That means theta is equal to 72 degree given. Find the length of the arc and the area of the sector. Obviously length of the arc will be, what is the formula, theta by 360 degree into circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r. Now in place of theta put 72, in place of r put 35 and do the calculation. Okay, it will be 44 centimeter. Now for the area, what is the formula, area of minor sector is equal to theta by 360 into area of circle, that is pi r square. Again in place of r square it will be 35 square, and in place of theta put 72. Do the calculation again. The area of the sector will be 770 centimeter square. Now question number 4. AB is a chord of a circle with center O and radius 4 centimeter. That means OA is equal to OB is equal to 4 centimeter. AB is a length 4 centimeter and it divides the circle into 2 segments. That means AB is a chord which is 4 centimeter in length and it is dividing the circle in 2 segments. This is AB. Okay. Find the area of minor segment. You have to find the area of minor segment. First of all, we have to label which one is the minor segment. As you can see, since this AB is the chord dividing the circle in 2 parts or 2 segments, this part is minor segment. So you have to find the area of this pink portion. Okay. Now if you look at this triangle OAB, OA is equal to 4 centimeter, OB is equal to 4 centimeter, and the length of the chord AB is given as 4 centimeter. So for OAB triangle, the length of 3 sides are equal as 4, 4, 4 centimeter. So it will be an equilateral triangle. And you know, for equilateral triangle, each and every angle will be 60 degree in measure, right? So this theta will become 60 degree. Okay. Now since this value of theta is 60 degree, you can find the area of minor sector, that is the area of OA. Suppose this one P, OA, PB. Using the formula of area of sector, you can find the area of minor sector. Similarly, you can find the area of this triangle, this equilateral triangle. What is the formula for area of equilateral triangle? It is root 3 by 4 into side square. Okay. Now look at the figure. First of all, this is the area of whole minor sector. If you subtract this area of triangle from the minor sector, you will get the area of minor segment. Okay, you will get the area of minor segment. So area of minor segment will be area of sector minus area of triangle AOB. Just put the formula in place of r square, put 4 square because radius is 4 given, and in place of side square for the triangle it will be also 4. Just do the calculation, you will get the area of the minor segment. Now next question. A chord 10 centimeter long is drawn in a circle whose radius is 5 root 2 centimeter. Find the area of both of the segment. So here radius is given as 5 root 2 centimeter. That means OA is equal to OB is equal to 5 root 2 centimeter. And AB chord is 10 centimeter long. Right. So this one is defined from the previous problem. Here it is not a equilateral triangle. Then how you will find the value of theta? Okay. Now do the square of OA and OB. OA square will be 5 root 2 square, that is 25 into 2 is equal to 50. Similarly, OB square is equal to also 50. OA square will be 50, OB square will be also 50. And if you do AV square, it is 10 square, that is 100. Right. So you can say that OA square plus OB square is equal to AB square. Okay, that is sum of the square of two sides of a triangle is equal to square of the third side. So by using converse Pythagoras theorem, you can say that this OAB triangle will be a right angle triangle, and the angle opposite to AB, the angle opposite to this third side will be 90 degree. The angle opposite to AB is this one, AOB, that means the value of theta will be 90 degree. Okay, so you got the value of theta as 90 degree. Now you can find the area of minor and major segment. Okay, for the area of minor segment, it is area of sector minus area of triangle. For area of sector, it will be theta by 360 degree into pi r square, while in place of theta it will be 90 degree, and in place of r it will be 5 root 2 centimeter. Now for the area of triangle, if you look at AOB triangle is a right angle triangle, so its area will be half into base into height, that is half into OA into OB. Put the value of OA and OB. Okay, just put the value of OA and OB, you will get the area of the triangle. Okay, so the area of minor segment will be 14.25 centimeter square. Now area of major segment will be area of circle minus area of minor segment. Just do the subtraction, you will get the area of major segment. In this way you have to solve this question. So this is all for today. Thank you.